Hi, this is Martin at Makita. I have here the new DTD152 impact driver. As most impact drivers, it's 1/4" hex shank tool holder at the front, variable speed on the trigger, headlights, forward and reverse switch with a central locking position. It's all soft grip, belt clip for left and right handed use. The drill can become supplied with 4Ah batteries or with body only. The machine runs at 2,900 revolutions per minute, and that's giving you around about 165 Newton meters of torque. So that's the new DTD152, and that's available at Toolstop.